Hi friends, I'm Clark. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the dark mode on your Vivaldi browser on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the Vivaldi browser to a dark theme or dark mode? So it's simple actually. You just need to go inside the settings. So the setting is on the downside on the bottom. Click this. So after opening the setting, you have an option called appearance. Here you have a light, dark and auto. So this doesn't matter. If this is changes, go to the theme section. So it will be changes according to the theme. So you have the Vivaldi browser theme. You can just switch to dark, so everything changes to the dark. If you just need to change this to Vivaldi to be a dark mode, just swipe to the bottom section. Here you have an option called time, schedule or operating the system. So here in dark, we just change this Vivaldi to dark, which change entire thing to the dark, or you can just choose this, or you can just choose here too. So this is how we just change the browser to the dark mode. You can see everything is to the dark. So this is how I just turn on the dark mode on your Vivaldi browser on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.